video. Welcome to the video. I'm going to show you how to get your professional Tour de France level gear changes. We're going to need some tools here. Do a WD-40. You can use any grease or lube. I'm going to use this today. Pliers, Allen key. Let's get rolling. So first of all, what we have to do is we're going to remove this little some feral cats in the background. On there. We're going to remove that. We can reuse that again. A lot of people just don't reuse them. I do. Put that down there, and then we're going to have to. What we're going to do. The issue here today. There's a cat scratching around there. The issue today is that housing is crimped. So even though we've got the derailleur perfectly lined up, it's not. The hanger's not bent. The gears are tuned. Limit screws are done. Tension's perfect, but that bent housing is causing things to slip around. So we need to fix that up. Get rid of a little haircut, a trim. So we want to undo this cable bolt here, and don't do lines of coke before you work on bikes. You can't even put the right tool in. Just can't straighten up a bit there. Can't stand up properly. And then we're just going to loosen it up. This is SRAM Red 10-speed, my favourite group set ever, because it works with the mountain bike derailleurs, assuming it's got an old style cable entry position. So we'll slip it out here. This cable's seen better days, and so that's causing that little elbow. It's causing some issues. We'll put this in sand, and then we're just going to have to put that like that. So that we'll do is we will. I love these external cable bikes because they're just so easy to work on. And then we're just going to trim that. Trim it off. I get a clean cut, and then boom, that's perfect.
Is it full of redbacks up there? Or they're
No.
alright?
They're looking at something. Trashing around the joint. But pancake legs is back. Alright, so then we'll put a bit of WD-40 in here, just for a bit of lube. That also gets your chain really good. You can use a bit of grease in the cable, but this is an old trick I learned from the Tour de France 2003. And you can just push the cable through there. That just minimises the friction and gives it that Di2 feel. That's already feeling really lubed. Oh wow, I think you're going to be impressed with this improvement. A bit more as well. Not too much. And just work it in. Grease the screws. And then that's going to go. Thread it through again. And I can't even see the. Right, so what we've done here, we're going to check the gears. And this SRAM Red is my favourite. It shifts so fast. But watch this. It's unbelievable. I'm a SRAM fan. E-taps, okay, it's slow, but mechanical red. Oh, it's just so good. Look at that. That's Di2, almost Di2 speeds. Damn. So we do it, man. It's as simple as that. Just a few basic tools. Took me maybe 5-10 minutes total. And yeah, it's just a great way to do it. That's a skill I can bring anywhere in the world. You can always earn money as a bike mechanic or fix your friends' bikes or whatever. And I love tinkering on bikes. And now that is just world-class shifting right there. That housing could be a little bit longer, but next time it cooks up, we'll put a bit bigger housing on there. But it's about, if you can save resources and it's safe, do it.